Hello, it's Botanical Fanatical, aka Ben Peel. I'm just coming to check on the rose hips that are dehydrating, and I just want to add the aromas that's coming out of the fan. Because we're removing the water, we're almost caramelising the sugars and reducing and concentrating the flavour of the berry. The nose that's coming off is these really sweet, jammy kind of caramelised notes. So the rose hips were in for 6.5 hours, and I feel like they're at the right sort of dryness. So the dry weight we've got is 36.7 grams. Next time we'll go bigger and better and dry more at the same time to sort of build up efficiency. This was just a test run. There we go, we've got some local, native, terroir, rose hip. There we go. Guys, stay tuned for more. Take care.